Okay, Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Okay, alright. So as I promised, continuity from the previous slide or previous video. Okay, so in this video, I will explain on the determinant. So most of you have problem to find determinant, but not. I think most of you have a difficulties to solve the 4x4. Okay, for 2x2 and 3x3, I think it's okay. I think most of you okay for that. But I will explain 2x2 and 3x3 first. Later on, I will do the exercise 1.3, which is a 4x4 matrix, right? So I will start first, okay, with the 2x2. So to find determinant for 2x2 is simple. It's more simple because 2x2 is a matrix 2x2, right? So it's simple and easy compared to 3x3. And 3x3 also not too hard, not too, it's still considered okay, because of it's just 3x3. But maybe it will have, you will facing difficulties to solve 4x4. Okay, so now we start first with the 2x2. Let's say your matrix A is 2x2 matrix. Okay, I use the general matrices here, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D can be any numbers. Okay, to find the determinant, okay, this is how we write. Okay, this symbol means determinant. Okay, this symbol means maksudnya macam ni lah. A, B, C, D. So, you can compare. A is a matrix. This one is a determinant of A. It's not a matrix. Maksudnya dalam segi penggunaan term, this one is a matrix, this one is determinant. Okay, how to find determinant for 2x2? It's easier. So, it's just multiply AD minus BC. Okay, you just multiply AD minus BC. Okay, for example, okay, I give you a figure lah ataupun numbers lah. Okay, matrix A is 1749. Therefore, the determinant of matrix A is 9 minus 28 is equal to negative 19. So here, this is the determinant of matrix A. Okay, alright, it's easy, right? Easy for 2x2. So now we proceed. We go to matrix 3x3. 2, negative 1, 3, 4, 2, 9, 1, 3, 4. Okay, for example, this is your matrix B. Okay, so how to find the determinant? Okay, if you refer to the slides, actually for determinant 3x3, they have about 3 methods. If I'm not mistaken, you can check back in your slide. They have 3 methods. So it's not necessary for you to understand. Yeah, you need to understand, but it's not necessary for you to remember all the method. You just pick one and then you can solve by using the method that you pick lah. So my suggestion, I prefer you to choose the method number 2 because of method number 2 is using a cofactor. Okay, cofactor. Why I said this one? Because you will use cofactor and also minor and cofactor more in the next calculation. For example, in inverse, you need to find cofactor. So why not? You just stick for that method. Okay, so I will explain this by using the method number 2. Okay, by using the cofactor expression. Alright, okay, so now for matrix B just now, so determinant for B. Okay, now you have 3x3, right? So you can pick or you can choose any row and any column. You boleh pilih je mana satu, salah satu je, tak semestinya, bukan semua. Bukanlah you kena pilih satu row, satu column, tak. Either one, maksudnya kalau you dah pilih satu row, is it enough? Jangan buat dua-dua serentak, row dengan column, tak. Maksudnya you pilih just either one, salah satu. But you can choose, either you want to choose row or you want to choose column. So, to make it your work is short, maksudnya tak calculation yang pendek, you pilih yang mana row ataupun column that have or that contains entries 0. Yang ada kosong. Kenapa? Sebab bila dah kosong, you tak perlu calculate. I mean for that part lah, you tak perlu calculate. Okay? Alright, so for this matrix, they have no zero. So means that you have no choice lah. Tak ada pun, I mean they have no advantage lah for this matrix. So you can choose either row or column. Let's say I choose row number 1. Okay, let's say I choose row number 1 Okay, I choose row number 1. So first thing first, okay, make sure kat sini you tak careless because dia ada yelah, dia boleh silap lah kat sini, boleh berlaku sikit minor mistake. Okay, let's say you choose row number 1. Okay, so we start first with numbers 2 here, number 2. So number 2 is lies in row number 1 and column number 1. So you close row 1, column 1. Okay, so but first you take out 2 lah. Okay, you choose 2 first. So means you take out 2. And then you close row 1, column 1. So you left with 2, 9, 3, 4. Okay. Alright. So the next one, number -1. Suppose the sign plus or minus. Yes, you need to refer back this one lah. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So this is for 3x3 matrix, right? Okay, so here is negative or minus. So it should be minus here. Okay, and then take out -1. So then okay, because -1 still lies in row number 1, so you still need to close row number 1, but now column number 2. So you have 4, 9, 1, 4. Okay, and then repeat the same thing for the third one, number 3. So it's plus. So plus 3. Okay, close row 1, column 3. So you have 4, 2, 1, 3. So now you solve this one. Okay, so this one is back to 2x2 matrix. So 2x2 matrix is using this one. Okay, so easy for you, right, to do. So you just cross multiply. So here is 8 minus 27 plus. Okay, I dah buat plus lah, minus minus. So this one 16 minus 9 plus 3, 12 minus 2. So the answer will be 7 and then 3 times 10, 30. So the answer will be -1. Okay, so the determinant for this matrix P is -1. And just now I choose row number 1. Okay, I choose row number 1. So basically, like I said, you can choose any row, any column. Maybe you can try now. You can try after finish this video. You can try to pick up row number 2 or to pick up column number 1. Is okay. I want you to try. Okay, and then you compare with my answer. Is it you get the -1 or not? Okay, betul ke -1 ni? Saya calculate balik. Okay, kejap. Okay, 8 tolak 27 is -1. So okay, -1 lah. Okay. So this is the basic lah for 3x3 matrix and 2x2. Okay. For the next video, I will show you exercise 1.3. Okay. Alright.